Being a real man requires you having the right set of gadgets for everyday use, from gadgets for personal security, survival, and self-defense, to gadgets for real smart men. In this video, we have packaged a list of 12 gadgets you'll love, so make sure you watch this video till the end, so you won't miss any of these gadgets. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's move. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. InCharge 6 Universal Cable Connector. Now if you're looking for a very compact cable connector, then this gadget might interest you. It's the most amazing and smart way to carry 6 different cables in your pocket. This gadget consists of 2 USB-C connectors, 2 standard USB cables, as well as Lightning and micro USB for all your mobile devices. The cables can be used for both charging and syncing. Most importantly, you can use your phone or your tablet as the power source, supplying power for charging your phone, smartwatch, or earbuds. It also has a max version, and this cable gives you more freedom with its 5-foot length. It's made of zinc aluminum housing, and this gives it an amazing durability. You can equally attach this gadget to any key ring, and carry it along when you're on the go. Tiny Survival Cart. This is a kit you need to survive in the camp, or in the wild. It's a more compact set, consisting of 17 high-quality tools packed in a single metal cart, that can easily fit into your wallet, or even your pocket. The tools include a mini knife and a dual-edged saw, and there are a number of fishing tools, which includes 2 harpoons, 6 hooks, and a lure. It also includes 3 sewing needles, a micro finger drill, and tweezers. The set is made of stainless steel, which gives it a high durability, and enables it to resist corrosion, and with the help of its magnetic base and triangular tabs, it's really easy to remove the tools, and put them back as well. URWERK UR watch. Looking for something amazing and stylish at the same time? Then you need to give this gadget a look. It's not just a mere watch, it's a smart watch, and it's almost a weapon. Its case is made of titanium. It's a lightweight, compact, and pocket-sized watch, but in addition, it comes with a strap which you can fix and show off. This watch is equipped with 3 large modules. Its satellite system displays the hours, its retrograde system displays the minutes, and its annual calendar, including some smaller indicators, display the seconds, and day-night status as well. On the back side of this watch, you'll see other indicators. It comes with an oil which can be changed every 3 years. This watch is durable and can last for a very long time. This is the perfect gadget you need to look stylish. Rolling knee pads. Do you often work in an environment that requires kneeling to complete tasks? But though, we're not talking about military here. If your work requires you to kneel down to complete a task, for a certain long period of time, then you need to get this amazing gadget. It's designed to relieve you of the painful knee and back pain. If you work on especially the floor for extended periods of time, this gadget allows 360-degree turning capability, without lifting from the floor. It consists of a plastic outer shell, and a strap gel pads which displace weight and lessen pressure, and also fits perfectly to the knee. It has a button which you can push to remove the knee blades, and use the knee pads, and when it's time to kneel and glide, you simply snap the knee blade back into place. This is the perfect gadget you need to improve your mobility, and speed up job completion. If you have viewed up to this extent and you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Survival Kit. Are you preparing to go for hiking or camping? Then this ultimate survival kit will be very helpful to you. This gadget includes 24 tools that are useful for every need that might arise, and every danger you might face while on camp, and these tools include a sharp foldable knife, some climbing hooks, and a powerful flashlight. Some of these tools are more complex, like a multifunctional fork which also serves as a wrench, a spoon, a harpoon, and a bottle opener, or even a compact fire starter combined with a whistle. A tactical pen that's also included in this gadget serves as a safety tool in emergency situations, and also, a blanket, a wire, and a saw, and so on. These tools are packed in this single box, and when you have this gadget in your backpack, you're ready to be on the go for camping. Universal socket grip. Looking for a single gadget that has all the tools you need at work? Then take a look at this amazing gadget. The universal socket is a single gadget that replaces the whole set of tools you need at work, and it actually boosts your productivity. It attaches to power drills and ratchet wrenches to make your work much easier and quicker. You don't need to waste your time again at work looking for the right socket for each bolt head. This gadget will automatically replaces all of them. It can also grip hexagonal nuts, hooks, and screws of various shapes and sizes. When using this gadget at work, you'll save more time, since the socket can adjust automatically to fit into any shape, and in addition to that, this gadget is made of stainless steel, so it's strong and durable. The package contains a power drill adapter. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this gadget is simple to use, and can make repairing more easy and comfortable. Mini knives. If you're looking for a small knife you can carry anywhere you go, then you would probably want to take a look at this gadget. This is actually a knife, but looking at it at first, you probably wouldn't realize that it's a knife. It looks like a stylish piece of modern accessory, with a bright and elegant appearance. It has a hole in its handle, which ensures a firm and comfortable grip when holding the knife. It comes in 3 elegant colors which you can choose from, and the blades are also painted to match the handles. It's great for personal safety and security, and as well, it's used to cut through objects. But in case you need something much smaller, then you would want to look at this set of tiny knives, with several sizes and shapes to choose from. The handles are made of pure copper, and they're both strong and elegant despite their small size. They can easily cut through objects such as a can, papers, or other light materials. Also, here are some tiny versions of chef knives. These knives are made of durable stainless steel blades, and with sandalwood handles. Each of these knives is about 1.65 inches long, and in addition, a beautiful faux leather is included in the package as the knife covers. Magnetic wristband. You need a more compact gadget that can hold your tools when you're at work, so you have to take a look at this awesome gadget. This magnetic wristband is filled with 10 strong magnets, and it allows you to keep all your building materials on your wrist, and have them handy while you're at work. All the essential tools you need for repairing are magnetized on this wristband, and held tightly in position. With this gadget, you don't need to carry a toolbox again. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Truss Multitool. Of course you need a tool that's useful for small tasks. This gadget is really useful for small tasks. It consists of 17 items which include pliers, a mini saw, a flathead and cross drivers, along with some other tools that are needed for daily tasks. It also includes a scissor, a ruler, and bottle opener, and in addition to that, this tool comes with a special sheath, which makes it easy to be carried around. It can be mounted in either vertical or horizontal position. It's made of steel which gives it a great durability. It's compact and lightweight, and can be carried while on the go. Lighters. Alright guys, this is our last gadget for today's video. Now this lighter stands out by its unusual design, and it's made for real men. Of course you're the real man. It also has some really smart features that are entirely different from the traditional buttons and wheels. This lighter is activated by laser, and it automatically detects your finger when you put it in the cutout. It's windproof and perfect for outdoor use. You can charge it with a standard micro USB cable, and through the help of its LED lights, you can be able to know the battery status. It comes in multiple colors which you can choose from. This is an amazing gadget that you need to light up on the go. That's it all for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends,